Welcome to So Very Easy. My name is Laura, and today I just want to have a chance to chat with you and let you know what's going on. And there's 4 things I would like to talk about: the ruler, the newsletter, an upcoming event that I'm going to be part of, and, well, possible travel. So let's start with the ruler. Last month, I did release the Sotacular all-in-one binding ruler. And I have to be honest with you and tell you I am totally surprised on the outpour of that ruler. I sold out in a matter of hours. So thank you to everyone who bought the ruler. And I am so sorry that I didn't have more for those that did not get it. I will keep you informed when I am getting new in. But what I am working on is a shorter version of that same ruler. It has all the same features, it's just a little bit shorter. It's going to be easier to travel with, easier to store, and easier to maneuver around our sewing machine. So I will keep you informed on that. As soon as I hear, I will let you know. And the easiest way for me to let you know is through the newsletter. Now, the newsletter is free, and I only generally send out the newsletter the first day of every month, unless there's something, of course, that I would like to share with you, such as, when is this going to come out? Am I going to be able to have a wait list? I'm not sure, and that's where I'm going to let you know. Now, also in the newsletter, I have an opportunity to give things away, which there will be something coming up in January. If you do get a second email right after the first one, you might be the winner. The other thing in the newsletter is I'm going to be able to announce events. And I do have an event coming up, and it is with Dime Embroidery. Now, this event is going to be January 17th. It's about an hour and a half, and it's all about edge-to-edge quilting with our embroidery machines. This year, I want to learn as much as I can about embroidery. I want to learn how to embroider on dowels and cork and everything. So that's what I'm going to work on this year. But I'm going to start because I really want to learn how to do this edge-to-edge quilting with our embroidery machines. So I do hope you come with me and do this virtual event. Now, during this event, it's only 90 minutes, thereabouts. We're able to ask questions. At the end of it, we're going to get a free download so that we can try what we've learned from that event. We'll also have an opportunity for a short time to get things on sale that maybe we need to do that edge-to-edge embroidery. So I'll put a link in the description so that you can check it out. And if you'd like to sign up, it's free. I'll be there. The next thing I want to talk about is travel. I love traveling, and if it can involve quilting and food, you have won my heart. I do a lot of traveling with a company called EF Go Ahead Tours, and what I like about this tour group is they give me experiences that I could not get on my own. For example, I did go to Thailand, and they gave me the opportunity of planting rice. So yes, I was up to my knees in mud planting rice. It was phenomenal. We also had the opportunity to go to a local home and have a home-based dinner. And we were able to cook with them and learn how they cooked and sat down at their table and had dinner with them. And so I really do like traveling with this company. So I have kind of been working with them to see if I could design a quilting tour. Now, it has to have shopping, quilt shows, food, and of course, fabulous accommodations. And I'm looking at going one of 2 places. Both of them have really amazing quilt shows. One is Japan, and the other one is the UK. Now, I am looking for just over a week, maybe 9 to 12 days, and that way we have those travel days and a good week to wherever we're going. So if this is something you'd be interested in, please leave some comments in the description below so that I would know if this is what you would want. Would you be traveling alone? Would you be bringing someone with you? And is 9 to 12 days enough travel time for you? So these are all fun things coming up with So Very Easy. So you'll be able to be informed about them in the newsletter, my Facebook, and also Instagram. And I would like to take this moment to thank you very much from the bottom of my heart for being part of the So Very Easy family. When I started this over 11 years ago, I just wanted to teach on YouTube. I never really expected this to become the family that it is. I love the comments that you make on the videos. I love that we're able to communicate with each other and stay in touch. I do try to read as many comments as I want, and I do try to answer as many people as I can. But the beautiful part is when people make a comment, someone else will help them. If it's a question, everyone helps each other. It is an amazing thing that we have created. And I would like to thank you from the bottom of my heart for being part of it. Now, if you celebrate Christmas, I would like to say Merry Christmas. If not, I still want you to have a fabulous day, one filled with family, love, and friendship. And of course, some quilting and food along the way. Thank you for joining me today on So Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, and I do have a newsletter. It's all free under So Very Easy. I'll put some links in the description below. And I am looking forward to reading your comments on the travel, the events, and everything that we talked about today. Be sure to make every day a Sotacular day. Bye for now.